It's one of the hardest working surfaces in your home, but probably one of the least appreciated. Your garage floor handles cars, tools, gym equipment, and most of the time, it's just bare concrete. So if you want to change that up, how do you choose the right epoxy garage floor? And is epoxy even the best option? Let's break it down. Hi, I'm Sofia Alonso Wolf with AV Architects and Builders. When people think about upgrading their homes, they usually focus on kitchen, the bathrooms, or the living room. But the garage, it often gets overlooked. And yet, it takes daily use. Heavy vehicles, drop tools, oil spills, temperature swings. Today, we're talking about how to choose the right epoxy garage floor for your home. We'll cover the different types, how they compare, the pros and cons, and what actually makes sense depending on how you use your garage. Number 1, why your garage floor actually matters. The garage floor isn't just a slab of concrete. It affects the durability, cleanliness, safety, and even resale value. A protected floor resists cracks and surface damage under vehicle weight. It prevents oil and chemical stains from seeping into porous concrete, and it makes the space easier to clean and more pleasant to use. If your garage doubles as a home gym, workshop, or organized storage area, flooring becomes even more important. Neglect usually costs more in the long run. Cracks spread, stains set, surface deterioration accelerates. A proactive upgrade often prevents larger repair expenses later. Number 2, what is epoxy flooring? Epoxy flooring is created by mixing a resin with a hardener. Once applied, it chemically bonds to the concrete slab. The result is a seamless, durable coating that resists moisture, chemicals, heavy traffic, and abrasion. It transforms raw concrete into a smooth, sealed surface that's both functional and customizable. But not all epoxy floors are the same. Number 3, types of epoxy garage floors. Let's walk through the main options. Standard epoxy coating. This is the entry-level choice. It creates a glossy, uniform finish that improves stain resistance and durability. It's cost-effective and clean-looking. However, under heavy use or extreme temperature shifts, especially hot tire pickup, it can wear faster than premium systems, making it best for light to moderate use garages. Then we have epoxy with flake finish. This option incorporates colored vinyl flakes into the coating. Some benefits are added traction, visual texture, and it's better at hiding dust and minor imperfections. Flake systems are very popular because they balance durability and design without dramatically increasing the cost, making them best for family garages with regular use. Lastly, there is polyaspartic coating. Technically not epoxy, but often compared to it. Polyaspartic coatings cure faster, resist UV yellowing, offer superior abrasion resistance, and perform well in temperature extremes. They cost more upfront, but they often outlast traditional epoxy in heavy-duty applications, making them best for high-use garages or homes exposed to significant sunlight. Number 4, pros and cons of epoxy garage floors. Let's be honest, some of the pros of epoxy garage floors are easier maintenance than bare concrete, customizable finishes, increased visual appeal, and it protects the slab underneath. Some cons to consider are it requires proper surface prep, the installation time and curing period. Professional installation is usually recommended. Like any material, it's about matching performance to lifestyle. Number 5, how to maintain epoxy floors. Maintenance is straightforward. Sweep or vacuum regularly. Mop with a mild, non-abrasive cleaner. Avoid harsh chemicals. Use mats under heavy equipment, and clean spills promptly. Small habits extend lifespan significantly. The goal is preservation, not constant repair. Your garage floor may not be the most glamorous feature of your home, but it's one of the most used. Choosing the right epoxy or coating system protects your investment, improves usability, and elevates a space that often gets ignored. And when done correctly, it lasts for years with minimal maintenance. If you're designing a custom home or planning upgrades, think about every surface, including the garage. You can schedule a discovery call to discuss your project goals or visit our learning center for more home design tips and insights. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss anything from the Residential Architects. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!